So as I mentioned, the violences, criminal violences, were pretty hard, starting from Riga Kurzeme police branch employees, which are mentioned in that supportive note to appeal complaint to Riga Regional Court. The violences were mentioned in previous procedural complaints to the highest court of Republic of Latvia, Regional Court Criminal Collegiate, and General Prosecution of Latvia. However, no reaction were done in reality to stop that kind of criminal pressure and the power offense without any existing reason, and using such situation underage kid. In the list of requested invitation to an open court process at the highest court of Republic of Latvia is mentioned also representative of was Latvia's past organization. This is a post office organizations which had a lot of issues specifically with me because there are kind of possible violence appointed through the electronic system after the international crime, or interested in this situation people, organizations were involved in these performances of post offices. So up to now there is no reliability in post office services mentioned before. That is why representative of this organization is also mentioned for the open court process, because if the main government post office system will not work properly, there is no chance of court processes on legal way. If there can be set up any kind of restrictions, overtakings, or losses of the letters that can affect any court process in result. Responsible person of that organization, registered organization, should keep a personal responsibility over all activities in this organization in the Latvian territory. Even if the jurisdiction level is set prioritizing organization jurisdictional number above any personal responsibility, criminal law is having certain specific regulations about possibility of taking a part in certain criminal activities which are directed against anyone. There are also two representatives of Riga Orphans Court mentioned on the list for possible invitation to make the situation clear with their illegal decisions for which a responsibility must be appointed to appropriate persons who were involved in such decisions making. This supportive note is made an official request for highest court of Republic of Latvia with certain conditions if there is a chance to organize such a hearing until 6th of December this year. But there are also stated 5 points of the consequences which were actually performed against me and underage kid with full descriptions as stated in that document. This can be used as forced consequences in the invitation note to each separate organization representative. Otherwise, such can be performed on by the legal organizations within the frames of Latvian legislations, if such is not followed in the national courts as it is stated in the Constitution of Republic of Latvia.